Hi there! I've got a great tool to show you today. This is the Knipex Diagonal Cutter, your ultimate precision tool for electronics. With its mirror-polished head and multi-component grips, this electronics diagonal cutter is built for ultra-fine cutting work. Say goodbye to circuit faults. Thanks to the ESD-safe, electrically discharging handles, you can work confidently without worrying about static discharge. This compact tool, weighing just 76 grams, is perfect for those tight spaces on printed circuit boards. The sturdy, zero-backlash box joint ensures high cutting quality, while the induction-hardened cutting edges make slicing through soft wire up to 1.6 millimeters a breeze. Experience the Knipex difference: precision, durability, and safety all in one tool.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.